JPQL guys? Is there a talking about query methods now, boss? Yeah, tell me guys. In HQL, JPQL queries, tell me what we can place. Error creating JP creator. Are you keep at the rate runner Babu. Tanmay Das, you read the error now. You are not giving complete screen of error. How can you solve your problem? Your screen is there. Where is the error, my dear? Unsatisfied dependency expression. Maybe you are not injecting at the rate auto wide one properly. You give me complete screenshot where error can be seen, boss. Otherwise, I cannot solve your problem, right? This also same issue. Give proper screenshot where see, take completely to side and take the screenshot. Okay, let it be, boss. Maybe at the rate component is missing or injection is not done properly. In HQL, JPQL queries, we can keep only two types of parameters. Only two types of parameters, right? Super. Yeah. What is that? JPA style ordinal positional params. Ordinal positional params. Okay. Question mark 1, question mark 2, question mark 3. ... Next. JPA style ordinal positional params was. Okay. Next one is what? Named parameter. Named parameters. Where is that? Column name was. Column name. Column name. Okay. I have given some important statements on parameters, guys. Check it out. JDBC style plain positional params are not allowed. I already said. Only JPA style ordinal positional params are allowed. Super. Ordinal positional parameter index must start with 1 and should continue in the increment sequence without any gap. Should continue in what? Without any gap. Where is our screenshot, guys? Okay, 616. Should start with 1, should continue plus 1 kind of thing. Should not have any gap between the parameters, folks. Should not have any kind of gap between the parameters. What do you say, boss? Ordinal positional parameter index must start with 1 and should continue in increment sequence, guys. Should continue in increment sequence, right, boss? Okay, now let's come here. Where is our project? Is it our project only now? 616 boot, 1 minute. 616 boot, boss. Okay. Meanwhile, let's see the remaining parameter. We can take parameters. We can take parameter in HQL query only representing input values. That means we should not take representing HQL keywords, entity, class name, and property names. We can only representing input values. You can take parameters boss. You cannot take keywords, class name, property names as the parameters boss. Okay. Okay. From doctor where income greater than or equal to colon start and income less than or equal to colon end. These are positional parameters now boss. These are positional parameters now boss. Run as Java application. Run as Java application. Right now we have taken named parameters boss. It's working. Basic application is working. Okay, now let's go for. I commented this. I commented this, guys. I enable. I commented this. I have taken some 3 here. There is a gap. We are going to get error na. Right click. Run as a Java application. Right click, run as a Java application. Unexpected gap in ordinal parameters. Unexpected gap in ordinal parameters, guys. Gap is coming or not coming? Super. Okay. That's the one problem. Okay. I'll give 2 and 3. 2 and 3, guys. Right click. Run as a Java application. Right click, run as a Java application. Expected ordinal parameter label start with 1 but found 2. Must start with 1. Okay. But found 2. All my theoretical and practicals are matching or not. Okay. Next point is, guys, I will take where class as the parameter was 2, 3. Here, what is there? String string condition, something. String condition. This is where I want to pass. This is where I want to pass as what? Parameter value. Is it allowed, guys? Is it allowed? Where is the error? Why it is saying errors are there? Java application, proceed. Is it really allowed here? It is not really allowed. Array, this is question mark expecting end of this one. We are getting error or not there. So we can pass only input values as parameter. We cannot pass query parameters. We cannot pass query parameters. Understanding my statement? Condition clauses. We cannot pass query parameters, condition clauses. Okay. Here is my where class, guys. HQL keywords, entity, class name, properties cannot be passed as parameters, boss. Cannot be passed as parameters, right, boss? Okay. Income question mark 1. Here is my question mark. Save it. Save it. Right click, run as Java application. Right click, run as Java application, boss. Everyone getting my point here, boss? Understanding my statement? Yeah. Next one, guys. If HQL or JP query named parameters, queries named parameter names and custom method parameters are matching, then there is no need of placing @param annotation before Java method parameter. Other than placing them is mandatory. Yesterday we have seen it. Super. Prefer working with named parameters more compared to ordinal positional param. Okay. More positional param means more positional param makes to give sequence index for the parameters. Right now, boss? And again, you have to give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is named parameter, what happens? Every parameter will have a name. It is easy to identify the parameter, right, boss? More positional parameter makes to give sequence index for the parameters. We cannot use both positional parameter and named parameter together yet once in HQL or JPQL query. One parameter positional, one parameter named is not possible. You want to check that? Check it out. Do you want to check that? Yes, let me check this. Less than or equal to, tell me, less than or equal to max, guys. Year 1, year max. Year 1, year max. Okay, array year end range. I'll take as it is name, guys. Match na end range. Okay, end range. Tell me, right click, run as Java application. Illegal state exception or not? We cannot use both together. We cannot use both together. If you use both together, you will get exception. See, no, only named parameter with matching index, guys. Java application. Not just giving theoretical statement. Everything we are feeling practically. I hope you noticed it. Internet also won't talk this much about parameters and HQL, guys. Because I worked on Hibernate. I used Hibernate in different permutation and combination. And this knowledge is from Hibernate. That's why I'm able to give all these statements with experience, right? Okay. See, guys. Question mark 1, question mark 2. Valida, invalida. 1 minute. If I show the answer, you will go by that only. I know that. Not bad. Tell me, look at the first query. Valida, invalida. Position, ordinal position is perfect, valid. Second one, question mark 3. Gap is there. Invalid. Second one, invalid. Third one, 0, 1. Perfect one, but started with 0. Invalid. 2 and 1. 2 and 1. Valid about. Array sequence might be missed. Sequence might be missed. Okay, but 1, 2. 1, 2. Fine. It's a valid one. This is surprising one. It's a valid one. Okay. Next. Question mark 1, max. Invalid. Question mark, invalid. All are invalid or not? Okay, next. From entity class name is taken as parameter, invalid. Entity class name is taken as parameter, invalid. Super, boss. Tell me next one. Question mark 1. Technically valid, but writing this kind of query is meaningless. Array for both you are giving same input value. Meaningless na, boss? Super. Now from Corona action, where Where is taken as what? Parameter, invalid. Next. Okay. Colon prop, invalid. Because your property name is taken as named parameter. Pro property name is taken as what? Property name is taken as named parameter. That's why invalid. I hope all these examples given more maturity on parameters, boss. You enjoyed them thoroughly. You enjoyed them thoroughly. So no confusion on the parameters. What is allowed, what is not allowed. I hope no confusion. Okay. Now I just want to test this one. First two, then one. Okay. First two, then one. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can take like this because they are in sequence now. It's a valid. But problem what you know, this will have start range, this will have end range. So what does it matter? Because their right value is going now. This will have start range, this will have end range. So that's why unexpected results may not come. Condition may not be satisfied as per my knowledge. You will not get any records at all. You will not get any records at all. Because first high range, then low range values are coming now, boss. First high range, then low range values are coming. That's really meaningless or not. HQL, JPQL select query, giving 0 or more records, guys. These are entity queries, boss. These are entity queries. This is entity query. This is scalar projection. This is scalar projection. Okay, these are select queries, guys. Giving 0 or more records. Giving 0 or more records. Actually, not entity queries, guys. Okay, all queries are covered. Select queries giving 0 or more records. See, entity query, guys, selecting all column values. Then what you will get, guys? List T. Hey, you will get list T, boss, because each record will be stored in one domain class object, boss. And they will be stored in list collection. And they will be stored in list collection. Got it? They will be stored in list collection. Okay, next one. Scalar projection query, giving specific multiple column, boss. Giving specific multiple column values. Specific multiple column values, boss. Specific multiple column values. Super. List object array. List object array. Why array, guys? Why array? Can you guess? Why object array? Okay. Two columns means each element is one object array. In that array, two elements will be there. Element one, element. Element one, element two. Element one, element. Is it interesting or not, boss? Element one, element two. Element one, element two. Element one, element two. Element one, element two. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Hey, not only two, guys. Suppose you selected three columns. This is the basic list. Okay, object array with three elements. Come on, come on. Okay, next one. You selected four columns out of 10 columns. Object array with four elements. This is very interesting. In list collection, only objects are elements. Object arrays also arrays, na boss. Arrays are objects in Java, right? Arrays are objects in Java. What do you say, boss? Arrays are objects in Java. Definitely there is allowed or not? Definitely this is allowed or not? Okay, I will write some note here. Arrays are objects in Java. So we can place arrays as the elements of the list collection. Can place the arrays as the elements of the list collection. I hope you are understanding my statement, boss. Hazrat Wali, HQL queries won't be executed directly, na? They will be converted into SQL query. While converting into SQL query, select will be added. Clear? Come on, guys. I already said this point. No HQL query will execute as it is. It is our convenience sake. It is our convenience sake. I hope you understood. Scalar projection query, specific multiple column values, list object array. I am assuming two columns are selected, two elements in object array. If three columns are selected, three elements in object array, right? Scalar projection query, specific single column, boss. Scalar projection query, specific single column. Specific single column. List property type. Array, that single column related object will come. Single column is integer. Integer wrapper objects. If single column type is string objects. Come on. See the beauty, guys? I'm not taking any separate type interfaces here. No type interfaces. Working with the projections is very easy in query methods, boss. Is very easy in query methods, right, boss? Okay. If the property type is, if the selected single property type is int, okay, then list collection contain integer wrapper class objects as the element. Wrapper objects as the elements. Okay. If the selected single property is string, then the list collection contains string wrapper objects as the elements. String wrapper objects as the elements. Everyone understanding my statement? String wrapper objects as the elements. Okay, I think you got it. When you select all column values, list with domain class, entity class object. When you select specific multiple column values, list with object array as the element values. When you select specific single column value, list with list with single property. List with that single property was. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Come on. Okay. Shall we try all three combinations once? Shall we try all the three combinations once, guys? Getting all column values, specifics from multiple properties. Yes, boss. Select the entity query, guys. Select the entity query. Tell me here what is there? Public list. Public list. Public list. What is there? Doctor. Public list doctor. Search doctors by. Search doctors by. Search doctors by. What is the specialization? Search doctors by specialization. Okay. What is next one? String SP1. String SP. Specialization 1, specialization. @ query. What is there, guys? @ query. Yeah. From. What is that? Doctor. Where? From doctor. Where? Where? Specialization in. Specialization in. Specialization in. Colon SP1. Colon SP2. Colon SP1. Colon SP2. Next, order by. Order by. Tell me. Specialization. Order by specialization. Convinced, my dear? Got it? Simply order by specialization. Simply order by specialization. Got it, guys? From doctor, where specialization in, colon SP1, colon SP2, order by specialization. Order by specialization. Super. After that, what is the next thing, guys? Yeah. Go to service class 9. Go to service class, boss. Yeah, tomorrow class is there, boss. Tomorrow we have a session at 10:45 a.m. Same link. Tomorrow we have a session at 10:45 a.m. Everyone please remember this. Anyhow, I'll keep in the Google Classroom also. Here is my doctor, guys. Here is my doctor. Tell me. Search doctors by specialization. Search doctors by specialization. Okay, guys. Tell me. Yeah, morning 7:15 a.m. we have regular microservice batch. String SP1, string SP2. String SP1, string SP2. Here is my service IMPL class, boss. Here is my service IMPL class. Here is my service IMPL class. User repo. User repo. Tell me here, what is this? Public doctor list is equal to doctor repo dot. Doctor repo dot. Search doctor specialization SP1, SP2. Here is what? Return list. Yes. Return list. Tell me here what is there, guys. This is my runner class. This is my runner class, boss. Okay, let it be commented. Service dot search doctors by specialization. What is there? Physician. I think we have physician. Next cardio. Cardio. For each system dot out colon println. Out colon println. Right click, run on Java application. This is doctor, this is doctor, this is. Question mark, order by specialization. Order by specialization. Understanding my statement? It's coming now, boss. First priority to cardio, next priority to physics. Because I said order by job now. So this time what is coming? List is coming. List is coming. Super. Okay, next. Here is the next one. What's the next one? Getting specific multiple column values. I would like to get specific multiple column. Hey, in the place of list, you can take iterable also. Object array. Object array. Search doctor's data. Okay, not this, not this. First, let me put in the repository. Select entity query with specific multiple column. With a specific multiple column. Understanding? Tell me. Public list object array. Public list object array. Search doctors data. Search doctors data. Search doctors data by income. By income, guys. Tell me here. Double start, double end range. Double start, double end. Okay. Now listen carefully. What is there? At the rate query was. I want to get specific multiple column values, guys. So it is into what is select to projection query, guys. Be this pasted. From doctor, where specialization in. From doctor, where specialization in. Is it specialization, my boss? No, no, no. From doctor, where. From doctor, where. It is not from boss. It is select. Select. What are the things I want to get? I want to get very specific properties, guys. Not all the properties, only few properties, right? What are the few properties you want to get? Okay. Doc ID, doc name, income. Doc ID, doc name, income. Okay. Otherwise, we are interested in very less properties, right? Okay. Doc ID, doc name, doctor, where, tell me. Income between colon start and colon end. Income between. Understanding my statement, guys? I'm selecting only 3 column values. I'm not selecting all columns. I'm selecting specific 3 column values, guys. Did you notice that, boss? I'm selecting specific 3 column values. Did you realize that? Go to service class, guys. Public list object array. Show doctors data by income. Okay. Double start, double end. Double start and double end. Double start and double end. Add unimplemented. Add unimplemented methods. Tell me. List object array. List is equal to doctor report. Now, what is that? Doctor report. Tell me, boss, what is that? Search doctor's data income. Search doctor's data by income. Start comma end goes. Here is my list. Here is my list. Okay, anyhow, that is there. Then what is there? Service dot show doctor's data by income, guys. Starter data by income. 20,000.0. Okay, next to 2 lakhs.0. Dot for each. Listen. Each row is an array. Array earlier this is going to be doctor object, but now this is an array. This is an array. Okay, we can convert any array into string now, boss. Okay, that is anyhow there. Otherwise, here we can take a for. For object to obj colon. Okay, row guys. Object to obj colon row. Sys out obj. Sys out obj. Service dot show doctors data by income 2000 20,000 row object obj colon row system dot out dot println this guys. Sys out system dot out dot println guys. Okay, boss. Tell me here. Right click, run as Java. Right click, run as Java application. See guys, specific 3-column values are coming now, boss. Specific 3-column values are coming now, boss. Understanding my statement? So, save it, boss. Done. Right click, run as Java application. Run as Java application. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You understand? Everyone getting my point or not? Everyone getting my point or not? Come on. Are you comfortable, guys? Okay. Are you feeling object array? Because object array, that thought process is very important. But are you writing code for all these things? No. By seeing the query, everything is internally generated. Is it not interesting? Is it not interesting? Definitely it's an interesting one. Okay, 1 minute. There I will try to process the same array in another angle. Go to runner class, boss. Why we used for loop inside, since it is internally using loop to process the object. Sumit MCA, inside the list object array is there to process the loop for each list for each. But in each iteration, you will get object array, na boss. That's what in each iteration you will get object array. People are asking what is need of this loop. Are muddy fellow, this row represents what, guys? This row represents what? Object array, right? To go through that array again, this is required. This is the one way. This is the one way to handle this one. Okay. Same thing we try to handle in another angle. Check it out. Copy this, guys, paste it. Sys out arrays dot to string of row, boss. Everything we are converting into one array, boss, for each. So done. Right click, run as Java application. Yeah. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Got it, my dear? This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. Okay, this is easy. You need not to process the loop. At least you can feel that is object array. Are you able to feel that is object array now, boss? Any array, if you want to convert into single string, we have arrays method. Is there. Arrays method. All are correct. This is dealing with entity query, boss. Here, what is there? Select entity query. Select entity query. Entity query. Select entity projection query. Entity projection query. Projection query. Specific multiple column values. Specific multiple column values. Run as Java. We are getting or not? Specific multiple column values, specific multiple column. Everyone understanding my statement, boss? Okay, this is done, boss. After that, what next? What is left, boss? Yeah, specific single property value, boss. I would like to get only doctor names. I would like to get only doctor names. Okay. Specific single column value. Select projection query with a specific single column value. Public list string. Public list string. Okay. Search. Search. Search all doctor names. Doctor names by income. Income range. By income range. By income range. Tell me. Double start, double end. Or double min, double max. Double min, double max. Copy this, paste it. Copy this, paste it. Mr. Boss, for single property finder method, for any complex query method. I already given clarity to you. For single property finder is good. Okay. For any complexity, go for this. where income is this, but I want to get only single property. Doc, acha. Doc name, just doc. Where income between colon start, colon end. Min max, here min max. No, you want to take start and end at the rate path. Better to match na, why to engage other things? Super. Tell me where is service, guys? Here is list string show doctor's data. Show doctor's data by income range. Double min, double max. Double min, double max. Add unimplemented methods. List string list is equal to doctor report dot. Doctor report dot. Tell me next one. Search doctors by specialization. Search doctors by income range. Doctors by income range. Min max. Where is this? Doctors, doctor. Okay. Show doctors are surgeons. What is the method we have taken, guys? Show doctor names by income range. Means return list. Return list. Projection query, specific single column value. Specific single column value. Service dot show doctor's data by show doctor's data by income range. $40,000.0. Okay. 5 lakhs.0 for each property. For each property. System dot okay out to colon print. Okay. System dot out to colon print. Single property only, na that to string property will be printed, right? Yes. Now let's run the application now, my dear. We are in the main class. Right click, run as Java. Run as the Java application. Look at this. Suresh, Raja, Mahesh. Suresh, Raja, Mahesh. Came or not came on this? Came or not came? So all three permutations and combinations are covered now, boss. All three permutations and combinations are covered, right? Okay. Code in repository interface. Code in repository interface. Here, put it down. In repository interface. Yeah, tell me, this is the repository interface, boss. Copy these guys. Copy these guys, done. Save, paste. Save. Save. Code in service interface. Code in service interface. Yes, these are the three methods declaration in service interface. Arey, what is need of copying whole ra babu? You are that much dumb. Guys, people are asking you to do entire code. Why, sir? Why? What is need? Tell me. You want interface also? You want interface also? You want in interface? No, no. Copy this, my dear. Say paste. If you practice, things will be in your control, Rabo. If you don't practice, everything looks magical. If you don't practice, everything looks magical. It's all it needs one-time practice. That's it. Code in service IMPL class. Here is the code of service IMPL class. Got it? Yes. Where is the code in service IMPL class? Here is. Copy this, my dear. Say paste. Guys, 1 minute. I think. Right, boss? Yeah. Code in runner class, boss. Nothing great. Code in runner class. Yeah. Here is the code in runner class, right? Where is the code in runner class? Here is the code in runner class. Yes, boss. We cannot apply, boss, because code is not generated by na. Sir, I will take entity query, I will take object array. Not possible. I will take specific multiple column values, I will take entity object in the list collection. Not possible. Because code is not written by us. Code is internally generated code, right? So you have to give the inputs as it is expecting. Oh, I'm not giving correct code. Code in runner class is different, right? Where is the code in runner class? Here is the code in runner class. Response. This is the code of runner class. Okay. Okay. For each row, object to know this one. This row represents what, guys? Naushad Ali, yesterday while giving HQL introduction, What I said, DDL operations possible or not possible? DDL operations are possible or not possible? Procedures, DDL operations not possible, right? I think you have not studied. Represents object array in the each iteration of list. In the each iteration of list collection. In the each iteration of list collection. Everyone getting my point? Object array. This is object array. What this will do? Converts object array into string in each iteration. In each iteration of list collection. In each iteration of list collection. I hope you enjoyed, guys. One FAQ. When should I use finder methods? And when should I use @query methods for select operations? For select operations. When should I use finder methods? And when should I use query method, @query methods for select operation? Answer. Answer, guys. Tell me. If you want to perform select operation by using single condition, by using single property or column-based condition, then go for what is that, guys? Okay, finder methods. For remaining all select operations, prefer using @query. Convinced, boss? For remaining all operations Array in finder method, projections are very complex. View interfaces, this kind of thing. In query method, things are very easy now, boss. In @query method, things are very easy, right? Things are damn easy, dead easy, boss. So that's why, sir, I don't know finder method, I will use completely query method. Well and good, go ahead. But listen, guys, till yesterday, in today's class, what we discussed, query method giving 0 or more records, right? Either all column values or specific column value, but 0 or more records. But if query is giving single record, then how to handle the situation? That I am going to take up in next class. Right? Okay. Super, guys. 1 minute. I'll confirm with the management because they are saying that some clash is coming with the ChatGPT. Some clash is coming with the ChatGPT workshop of tomorrow. For your batch. Give me 2 minutes time. I'll confirm.